road over here. What up, what up, what up? Welcome, morning. Right, let's get this all up and ready. Okay, cool, wicked. Welcome, everyone. Let's see if all these buttons work now. Yeah, nice. Okay, so morning. Let me just put this in Telegram 1 second. Move this over here. Oh wow! Let's get this show on the road. Welcome everyone. Right, I got my nice cup of tea. Can't wait to drink that. Oh, welcome. GJ wins. Oh, someone already got some trades over here. Let's take a look. So I'm gonna be doing gold. Look at the Wanda one right here. Take a look at GPAUD as well. Welcome.
Good morning, mate. Good morning.
Good morning. Are you back home now?
No.
Morning, guys.
I'm still in your manor, mate. I'm just having some tea, buzzing. Gonna get a train about 12 o'clock.
It was a good game though, eh? Good fun game. Dude. Oh, cup of tea is nice, beautiful. So, I tried to change my resistances, but couldn't find one I liked. But anyway, we'll start it off. Let's just have a look at Adnan traders who took a trade over here before I start looking at some charts. Let's take a look over here. But welcome everyone to a new week. Let's see what we can get. Yes, last week was a great send-off. Even though the start of it wasn't the best. Friday was very nice. Oh, 1 second over here. Why is this not working? Let's take a look over here. Let's take a look. Oh, she got into these GJ cells. Okay, it's 7 o'clock, I think. Lovely. Ran down to your TP1. Should continue to tap the next zone over here, and I think now it's starting to retrace a little bit. But beautiful. Very nice. So start seeing some rejections to the highs over here. This is the range. You wait for the push down exceeding the low over here. That was nice. Beautiful. So you got your 10 pips already. Great. Ooh, keeping an eye on this over here. But let's do a fresh analysis over here, guys. So welcome. If you guys had a good weekend, make sure to tell me what did you get up to and stuff. So let's take a look over here. So Friday, we were very bullish over here. We were very bullish, but today it looks like we've kind of eased off a little bit, started to relax, which is okay. I'm still very fluid to take buys and sells. I'm not just going to be biased on one thing, but I've been wanting some clear zones to be broken. So let's take a look here. It's the 4 hours, so 4 hour and daily are bearish, okay? Oh, it looks like your runner may be still on over here, Adnan. So for me, it looks like price came down. What time is this at? 2 AM. Okay, nice. So for me, I'm going to be looking for sells, I think, below this zone over here. So we've already got the 4 hour and daily on our side. So for me now, I just need a closure below the zone. That would be pretty nice for me to continue. And for buys, let's take a look at the hourly. Yeah, so buys are going to be over this hourly resistance, probably the zone up here. Because at this time, right at this level, you can see here it was supports, and here's resistance. So if you do get a closure above, you can fill this range up and fill it and take some nice pips over there. That'll be pretty nice. Let's take a look at these ranges over here. So if we do exceed, yeah, 27 pips to the highs, very happy to take them trades over here. It is a bit choppy over here, but this is because it was the end of the day, so I'm not really too bothered. But if we do get a closure and we flip all these daily time frames, could be nice over here. But yeah, for me, sells are going to be below here, so let's just make this a sell. So sells below 156.729 are going to be looking beautiful. And And then buys are going to be above this kind of zone over here. So round about 157. So buys above 157.074. Wicked. As long as you get the closure above over here and then we exceed, we'll be flipping the daily and the 4 hour will be on our side. So I am paying attention to these wicks as well. This past 4 hour came all the way down over here, closed all the way back up. So there is some bullish support, but as long as we get the closure below, I'll still be happy to look for some sells over here. We'll have to see. So yeah, very, very easy. Can we have a daily and weekly analysis in GG? Yeah, so weekly, we closed above. So look on the left hand side over here. We closed above resistance at this time. We made support. So if you look at it on the weekly time frame over here, you can see we closed above this zone. So we should potentially fill this kind of range in the next coming weeks, which is 163, which is a huge zone. For sure, as long as we stay above this kind of zone over here, I think we could really continue. And what happened before we came up and we tapped this zone, so this is definitely the next zone to look for. So yeah, 1 second, we just need beautiful. If you guys haven't liked the stream already, make sure to like the stream. Let's see if we can get some nice GJ trades today. Oh my god, my nose, man. There must be something in this room because like, my nose in the morning just gets so fucking itchy. But yeah, I do think if we do get a closure like this, that could be a good level to continue down for sure. So yeah. So let me take a look at some charts on Telegram over here. Michael's put something in the chart. The chat, sorry. Okay, so looking for buys above. Yep, beautiful. The 4 hour and the daily fibs all on over here, and you're waiting for
Yeah,
sells
the
below.
FXCM is a little bit different.
Yeah, that's fine, that's fine. The only different
Yeah.
liquidity providers, they're not too bad. Wicked. Yeah, I think sells below are going to be pretty nice over here. Yeah, and buys above because we've got nice ranges for both, so very, very nice. Mark, shouldn't we adjust the GJ sell below based on the 50 because of the wicks around the support? Let's take a look over here. Oh, sorry. Yeah. I have it below this zone. Yeah, like this. So sells below 696. Is that what you meant? Yeah, I was looking at the 30 minute more than the 15. But that looks nice now. Beautiful. Yeah, I think that's really, really solid. So, you know, we could be making support over here to then ride it back up and then to continue the bulls, but at the moment, we don't know. You know, it's in a zone. You can't be taking trades in the zone because you don't know where price is going to go. You could either come out of this zone to come down here and come out of this zone to come down here. This is a no trade zone for me. So let me just text on here. No trade zone. Okay, because price is indecisive in that zone. We don't know how to get it unless we got some sells here. That would have been quite nice, but that was at 5 AM and I am not up at 5 AM. Hell no. Good morning, Stephen. Good morning, Sandeep. Good morning, everyone. I'm in. Welcome. Let's get some pips. Yeah, for sure. So we're gonna be doing GA as well and gold. So let's take a look at GA over here. To the GA, I'm actually going to be starting to trade this week, so yeah. So GA on the daily time frame over here. Okay, the last one was bullish. This one is bullish. It's starting to exceed the high very, very soon over here. Okay. 4 hour is flipping as well now. 4 hour is bullish. Starting to exceed these highs over here. Let's take a look at the hourly. Yeah, so it looks like the resistance for me was around about this area. So in 23 minutes, if we get an hourly closure, that could be pretty nice. So now I need to adjust this because look, we got the 30 minute here. Let's take a look. Yeah, so I'm going to adjust this to here. If we do get a closure above though, this is going to be looking pretty nice to continue. Pretty nice. Take a look over here. Closures. But hopefully with the hourly that'll be really nice. The hourly make a nice bottom wick, and then we can continue the bulls over here, and that could be a pretty nice zone. As long as you get the closure over here in, I mean, you could get it in 15 minutes time, but it could be a lot safer to just wait for the hourly. But I don't know, to be fair, if this 15 does close, it could be pretty nice. Took a 2% gold sell on the last 30-minute candle. Wow, we'll take a look at gold in a second. So yeah, I'm quite bullish for GBP AUD. You know, all time frames are bullish. The only way I can look for sells is probably down here. No news for London. Yep, we'll take that in a second. I think I looked at that last night, didn't I? For sure. Yeah, so look here, no news for our time frame. Beautiful, very, very easy. Makes our day a lot easier, which is good. And I just need to wait for GD to bring some volume over here. I'm going to check gold. So Friday we got some gold sell-offs. We ate in the chat today. Holy shit. But yeah, let's take a look over here. So daily is bearish, shock. So normally we start to see Mondays follow the same kind of direction as the week, when the week finished. So for me, it's going to be quite a good selling opportunity. Let's take a look at the hourly. Wow. Okay, so now for me, you can see that there was resistance at this time at 1771, and there was support around about this level, 1767. We've actually bring some volume over here. We've closed below. Oh, this looks fucking good, to be fair. I may wait for this hourly closure over here, and then maybe take some trades over here. Maybe on exceeding these lows, 1762. Because if you exceed these lows in 1762 over here, where could we tap? Well, we could tap these wicks for sure at 1755. Kind of clean candles for these supports over here. Yeah, that's pretty good. Beautiful. I still think if this candle flips over here, that could be good, but for me, I kind of want to just wait for the hourly, just in case the hourly pulls up and closes again, and 8 o'clock brings the volume, so it should be good. Good morning, brother, man. Good morning, everyone. Beautiful. It's a nice Monday morning. Max, nice one on USD CAD. Make sure to send me a chart on USD CAD. I don't want to have a look at USD CAD. Make sure to send me a chart over here. But yeah, let me do an Instagram post as well. But yeah, looking pretty good now. Now we can just wait and chill, and hopefully GJ can give us some momentum over here and continue the run. Oh shit! 1 second. 1 second. We are live on YouTube now. Make sure to come enjoy the fun. Let's go. Beautiful. So 20 minutes left until we have some volume over here. Yo, MT5 got updates. Yeah, my man updated there. Looks cool. The logos and stuff are different. They're all different. They're all changed. Yeah, this is gonna be looking pretty nice, I think. So yeah, the trade that we took on Friday, I actually looked at it not on my time zone. Kind of, where did I see it? Let's take a look over here. This one, yeah, it was this. We were breaking these lows, and then we started to get some bearish closures again. I entered here, with the stop loss being here or here, and then I held it to 1771 over here. So that was a sick trade over here, worked nicely, and I trailed my stop losses as the price went. So when I went into break even, and then I took some profits here, and then I moved my stop loss when we started making resistance like here, and then I moved it to here, then I moved it to here, then I moved it to like here, So that's what you do. You know, training stop losses can really do help. So make sure to implement them. So 80 minutes left for that closure. Nice, nice, nice. Let's take a look at Discord over here. See if we've got any charts for the stream. Okay, we've got Brandon over here. Nice. So he's looking for GJ as well. Looking for best buys above 157,370. Nice. Also looking for buys above 157.063, which would be the same as mine, and it's a nice range to fill. You know, it's kind of like 30 pips, which is pretty good. And then decent sells below. Minor support can be broken with volume. Yeah. So at this time, if price does come down and we start getting into sells around the zone, when we come to this minor support over here, I think that's actually 10 pips anyway. But yeah, if this wasn't 10 pips, I'd still have my stop loss to break even when we enter this zone, because this has a chance of rejecting. But if we take a look at the chart over here, take a look. What's your real name, man? Real name's Max. Maxi boy. Let's take a look over here. So if you've got into sells around the zone, yeah, 17 pips. So yeah, we're good. We're good for all that kind of stuff. 43 people coming. Amazing, guys. Make sure you like the stream if you just joined. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, what are you doing, man? We're here every single day doing the London session, man. Andre, send me a chart. I'm not looking at USD card. I don't want to look at it. It's boring. USD card in that London session. You send me a chart. I think gold is going to close back in the range. Yeah, looks like it, man. I thought your real name was Stop Loss. My real name is Stop Loss. Her surname is Matters. That's how I roll, bro. Stop loss matters. I was thinking, I don't know how I came up with that name. I think I just saw Raj's like wicks don't lie. I'm like, what else really like doesn't matter? Stop loss kind of matters. Oh. Okay. So GG already coming down. It's gonna be flipping the 30-minute over here. 60 minutes time. Hopefully we get a nice closure like this for sure. To then continue down. Thing is, when this starts going, it's gonna be going quite nicely because Maz or Max, M-A-X. M-A-X boy. So we'll see over here. We'll see if we can get anything. GJ is playing in this little zone though. Bless it. It's just vibing. Let's take a look at GA. Ooh, it's getting close to close over here. There's a little minor resistance over here, which is not the best. But when did this form? Oh yeah, 11 and 12. I'm liking this though. I'm liking the 4 hour. The 4 hours coming up over here. The daily is coming up as well. Yeah, it's looking pretty solid. 15 minutes until the hourly closes. I think that's going to be nice. Hey man, do you think your background in finance or economics helped you with trading? Probably a little bit, but like not like a vast amount, because I did massive finance, and the finance I did, but the finance I learned about a little bit more, like not about forex, but about like options, futures, contracts, all that kind of stuff. I didn't really learn about forex, but I learned a bit about it. Yeah, not too much though. The maths for sure didn't. The maths was just applied. It was not applied. Sorry, maths was so theoretical. But the finance side, yeah, I learned a bit. But I already knew it, to be honest, because I'm not dumb. I'm not dumb. You've got Google since forever, so I kind of knew what futures and contracts were anyway. Like just from learning, just from being alive, really. So didn't really learn that much. But yeah. The good thing is now I've just got that degree, so I can do whatever I want with it, really. But at the moment, I'm focusing on this over here, because this is the passion. If I can make this work, then this will be amazing. So yeah. Yeah, yesterday we went to that car thing. It was quite nice. Some nice cars over here. I checked out the Ferrari Roma. I actually quite liked it. It was nice. Oh my god. That was nice. It was a nice Grand Tourer. It was pretty decent over here. 296. What the fuck is this? I think that was here yesterday as well. Actually, that looks quite good. where was it? Yeah, the Roma. I quite like the look of it. I think it looked pretty cool. Yeah, it's just like a GT card. Nothing really special about it, but I liked it. I saw a Portofino as well. That was nice. What's this 296? I'm so confused what it is. Let's take a look at this bad lad over here. Oh, it's loading. Oh, it's not gonna be able to load. Too much data, boy. I guess GJ is getting ready to move down as it failing to break the level 157. Yep, and forming higher lows and higher lows, lower lows and higher lows. Yeah, yeah. I think sales are gonna be quite good for GJ if we do get some closures below for sure. Good morning. Good morning. Besides impulse entries, do you always use a buy or sell stop entries? Yeah, I've been used to using buy stops and sell stops entries, mainly because I've got the mentorship as well. It's a lot easier for people to get into trades if it's a buy stop and a sell stop, because they can do it if it's not like buy now. Because if I bought now, they get a different price to me. So yeah, it's quite good to use buy stops and sell stops quite a lot, especially with flips of candles as well. They're quite good for that. Hello, Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Let's see if GA gets this closure over here. Nice move on Asian session, boring London again. Let's take a look over here. Yeah, Asian moved down quite nice over here. Not too far though, like the ones before were moving loads. Oh, still 60 pips to be fair. 60 pips, boy! Ooh, look at this over here. Ooh, damn. 11 minutes time. Let's take a look how the stop would be. Yeah, stop's quite big. I'll wait for this hourly to make a top wick over here. And then maybe we could take some sells on GJ on gold over here. But it is flipping this 30-minute time frame now. Oof. Oof. The thing is for me is, I mean, you could put your stop on the high of the current candle over here. But I think it would be a bit risky. I'll wait for this hourly closure over here and give us a bit more options for sure. Yeah, 5 minutes is looking good. Rejecting them highs again. Looks tapping the zone. Rejecting. There's loads of 5-minute entries yesterday that Ted was talking about. Yeah, it's pretty good ones. Oh yeah. If you guys are new here and you haven't subscribed yet, then make sure to subscribe. I want to see the subscribe icons. For some reason, it doesn't happen as many times now as it normally does. Forgot to put stop loss. Wait, what? You forgot to put stop loss? But stop loss matters, bro. What are you doing, man? 28 likes the stream. If you guys haven't liked the stream, make sure to like that video. We can get ready to do so. So also guys, Instagram. Make sure to follow my Instagram. It'll be in here for some reason. It'll be in the chat with the bot. But every single post that I do now, every like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, or 4 weeks, I'm going to be picking one comment out of random from any of the posts. So to enter a Magic Keys giveaway, make sure to comment on all the posts for sure. Then you are sure to be entered. So it'll be on any of the posts over here. Obviously not these ones. It's going to be new ones from now on. I've got a lot to post. So yeah. 9 minutes left of this candle. Is that 9 minutes of the closure of the hourly? So it's 9 minutes left of the hourly. You know, what's the best? We could just wait until we make the hourly top wick. But the 15-minute does look pretty good over here. And the 5-minute does as well. You forgot to, sadly. Oh no. No, no, no. You can't forget to do your stop loss. That means you entered way too quick. You have to, you know, be patient. Also, people in the Zoom over here, if you we're having a drop in at 9:30, so make sure to come and join that after the stream. If you guys have any questions, let's see if we've got any cameras on today. No cameras yet. Let's take a look. No cameras yet. I'm gonna get you guys out by Christmas. You all gonna have your cameras on. Oh, Michael's got his camera on. There's him. Sheesh. He's in his Travelodge. That is Travelodge. Where? What hotel were you at again?
Got the Hilton.
The Hilton. That's it. Good lad. How was your seats? How was your seats yesterday then? Quite high. High. I bet
That was right. That was wicked. Lovely stadium.
Yeah, man. Good atmosphere, yeah?
Buzzing, absolutely buzzing.
So you just getting the
See
train
all
back?
Yeah, but we're getting the train at, I think it's at 12:30. It's so funny though. All these Geordies are wearing all those kind of
Yeah, the headscarves and that.
the Arabian headscarf. Instead of them saying halal, they're going halal, halal.
Oh my god. Welcome,
Hilarious.
Chris, as well. Yay, we've got a squad on now. Nice, like that. How many people have we got in here? Oh wow, we got a lot of people. So yeah, I mean, GJ looks like he's pulling back up over here, which is fine. I'm completely happy to do buys or sells over here. But as I said, I'm just keeping an eye on this 4-hour time frame over here, because the 4-hour keeps on tapping this zone and starting to come and pull back up over here. So I'm gonna be a bit careful on that for sure. It does look like it may be making some support to continue up. But yeah, we'll have to see. An hourly's closing in 7 minutes time, and then we can get it. Stream 4K, mate. I need to see you in full def. Yeah, I need to stream in 4K. I don't know how I do that yet, because OBS only allows 1080p, so I'll have to take a look over here. Stream in 4K. Soon, the new Forza game's coming out. I'm well happy with that. I'm going to be bashing that. I've got a little wheel and that, so that'll be pretty cool. Oh, yes, gold is starting to come down now. Look at this, 30 minutes starting to flip. Nice, but then is it too late in the candle? For me, it is too late. I'm going to be waiting for the hourly to close over here. And if people don't get that, it's because the hourly has to make a top wick, and getting in now you have to have the drive, because if not, the hourlies normally will make the wick up, tap your stop loss, and then start rinsing down. So there's no point in getting in too late. If you guys have any questions as well, make sure to ask them in the chat. Let's take a look over here. Charts for the stream. Let's take a look. We've got some more, I think, today. Oh no, we don't. As I said, I keep on saying I'm going to be updating the Discord, but I'm going to be doing that very, very soon for sure. For sure. Wicked. Looks like gold is coming down over here. Flipping the 30 minute, the 15 minute looks pretty good. Let's take a look at the 5 minute. Yeah, looking nice. Waiting for GJ to flip bullish on the daily and then entering. Okay, that's a good idea. Yeah. So at this yellow line over here, that could be a good option. Could be a good option, yeah. So it's really reacting on this zone over here. Nice. Let's take a look then. So let's just get to look at some targets over here if we get into some trades. So let's take a look over here. Where is it? GJ, here we go. So GJ over here, if we do start coming up and exceeding these highs and flipping the daily, it's gonna be pretty nice for us to get into some buys over here, because we've got a nice 28 pip zone over here to fill. Holy shit, that's a big zone. So big zones, which is very, very tasty. And if we do exceed these highs again, we're breaking all-time highs again for ages. So like around about this area, oof, it's gonna be looking pretty good. So 4 minutes time, you're getting a closure. Let's take a look over here. Start recording. Looks like we're getting some volume over here. Damn, son. Very, very nice. Let me just move this over here. Okay. Beautiful. So now, what can you say to yourself? You could go, well, Max, you know, we've moved up a lot in this 15-minute time frame over here, but what is the issue? The issue is we have an 18 pip stop loss. So for me to get in, I'm gonna have to wait for this lower wick, because at the moment the ranges, the candle bodies are way too big. I'm gonna have to wait until the next one does this. So we go through this all the time. You know, it might close. Oh shit. It might close around about this area, nice, like this. Next one comes, makes the lower wick, and then starts succeeding, and then this is my stop loss over here. Because getting in now is going to be quite a big stop. But yeah, 3 minutes time for this hourly close, but it's going to be looking pretty good over here. So let's take a look and try and write a target over here. So buy stops are going to be nice. We are flipping the daily very, very soon over here. So people who get into daily flips, this is what's going to be happening right now. But I'm going to be waiting for 3 minutes time. So let's see, 157.0. I know that I hurt you. Right. Just getting this all ready over here. So 200. Where's 200? So 240. I can see there's a little bit of resistance over here, and then I can see that the highs over here are 350. Okay. Yeah, so there's nice targets over here. Delicious! Delicious. Make sure to like the stream if you haven't already before we get into some trades over here. 73 viewers, we're looking good, we're looking good. So for me, I need this closure. My friend paid for a signal group and he told me they are in GA cells. Them guys are ballsy. Well, it depends how you trade it, innit? I don't know if it's a higher time frame. But the thing is though, can he understand, like, you know, I get signals and stuff, but you know, the thing is, every single signal I do in my mentorship, I'm pretty sure every single person in the chat knows exactly why I'm doing it. So if they don't get that, then like, it's like, what's the point in it, bro? I played the new Forza. My mate got it as a tester. It's a banger. It's Horizon 4 with a new map. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. The thing is though, I like the online like games. I don't really like playing single player. I get a bit bored by it, so I'm gonna have to find some mates on it and shit. 33 likes. Let's get them likes up, guys. Let's try and hit 50 likes before 8 o'clock in a minute's time. Let's get it going. Gold or GJ? Let's take a look on gold. Ooh. Thing is, that 30-minute hasn't closed strong for me, but it has rejected. But yeah, it's looking pretty good over here. It's hard to take just signals because you need to be very quick. Yeah, exactly. You need to learn more than just signals, I think. For sure. So 39 seconds. Gold, nice to flip 30-minute. Yep. Oh yes. Let's take a look at the hourly. Yeah, this hourly's looking pretty good. I mean, maybe a buy stop over here on the daily flip. That could be quite good. And then stop loss you could have on the 4-hour flip bearish. That could be quite interesting. I want to see how this candle opens over here. Hopefully the first 1 or 2 minutes we can get some lower wick forming. Why don't you readjust the resistance line on GJ based on the 15? Like here? Yeah, we could. But I like the support on there as well. And this was formed at 4 AM, so I'm not really too bothered. But anyway, I think impulses right here are going to be quite nice. Let's take a look. So 30-minute closed bullish. Hourly closed bullish. Didn't really close above though, which is a bit of a risk for me. As you can see, didn't close above. So, you know, it's still respecting. You know, we know price normally. Let me show you over here. Has supports. And now these act as resistances. We didn't get the closure above, so we're going to have to wait over here. But still, it's making the lower wick, which is nice. 30 minutes still closed bullish over here. If we do exceed these highs, I may take an impulse with stop loss below. But at the moment, it's already going to be 13 pip stops. It's quite a big stop over here. Let's take a look at gold. Okay. Gold is looking good over here. Let's take a look at the 30-minute. Ooh, 30-minute closed bullish. But it will be exceeding these lows very, very soon. Okay. GP AUD. Ooh, looking good over here. Hourly needs to make a bit of a bigger low wick for me, but could be pretty good. Let's take a look at GJ. If we do exceed this high over here, I may take a buy stop. So that'll be at 157, 100. We've got volume now. We've made the lower wick, which is around about 13, 12 pips, which is okay. 12 pips for a 26 pip trade. That could be quite nice. We'll see how far this brings down, but it is just making the hourly lower wick over here. Look at the rejection from the lows over here. So if we do flip and exceed, I think this could be a good option. But then I'm gonna have to manage my stop loss as we go, because, you know, as we start to, you know, if we do exceed this high over here, you know, it's starting to make bigger stop losses. So I'll have to just keep 10 pips, probably to the 4-hour flip. I quite like that, to be honest. So yeah, I may actually put this in now. Let's take a look over here. So if we do get a buy stop right around this level, take a look at the hourly. Yeah. So right here, I've got a buy stop. So we made the lower wick over here, looking pretty good. And this, so we'll get in when the daily flips as well. So, you know, good options over here. We've got strong bullish candles. We're flipping the 4-hour, the dailies. We're starting to make some support on these lows. I'm very, very happy to take this trade if we do exceed the highs. Getting in the flip can be quite worrying over here because we haven't exceeded, but when we do exceed the high and push into this zone, we should then fill this zone up. I see this wick to the left over here, so right around this time, right about 7 pip stop, I'm going to put my stop loss to break even for sure, and hopefully we can start to continue. That's what I'm going to be looking for. Let's take a look at gold. Yeah, gold's just chilling over here, making the top wick for the hourly. You can see we've already made the bottom wick in the hourly for GJ. That's why I quite like it. It's quite a thick bottom wick. Yeah, we'll see. Oh, let's take a look over here. We're going to get activated in a second. Right, I'm in a trade right now, guys. Stop loss is below. Let's take a look over here. So we've got the volume now. We have exceeded the highs. We've got good, you know, bullish pressure. We should continue over here. Where's stop entry at? Where's stop entry? What do you mean? Buy stop, you mean? So let's take a look over here. Running 2 pips already, guys. Let's take a look. See if we can get some volume in this bitch. But yeah, beautiful. Hopefully we can still continue. So how am I going to get out of this trade over here, guys? For me, it's going to be, how can I get out of here?
A close back in the range.
Yeah, if it goes back below this range, that could be a good idea to take some off, for sure. And then this candle, let's take a look at the 5-minute. Yeah, it's not too bad, to be honest. Potentially could be on the flip over here now. May take 50% off. I think it shouldn't flip over here now. So right around here, I might give it a bit more room. Right, this zone, yeah. Here I'm going to take off 50%. 53, take
0.30.
So that's me using the lower time frames to get a tighter stop loss over here, guys. Really managing my trade. So yeah, we're about 5 pips, nice. Take 50, because if it comes back and rejects this zone again, it won't be the best. Take 50% off at 157.030. Beautiful. So it's just to continue over here, giving it some leeway to push over here. We should be good. Break the hourly wick and fly to the top. Yeah, boy. Come on, you can get this over here. Come on, GJ. So yeah, very, very happy. As long as we get to this zone, I'm going to be taking off 50%. So, you know, I'm managing the trade as it is. We should be good. But, you know, just in case we do start coming back over here, I'm going to manage my trade. And that'll be around about 7 pips. I can close 50% off, so that's pretty good. You know, I'm wanting volume to push over here, and if it can't do it, then that's tough luck. There's no W left, Imran. No W at the moment. We're just chilling. Look at the 5 minute. Yeah, it's 5 minutes at the best, but it should just make a lower wick to then continue. But we know where we're going to take off half over here. And if it does reject, then wow, we have to manage our trade. Wow, look at that 5 minute. Holy shit. Damn, son. So we got to around about 5 pips. We could have put our stop loss break even, but I expected with London volume we could have came over here. If it came any higher, probably would have done it. Ooh, okay. I'm going to be taking off. Yeah, I'm taking off half over here. Coming down. Yeah. Wow. Look at that rejection over here. I'm going to be closing, closed off half over here. Nearly hit my stop loss, but it's still in at the moment. Damn. Wow, look at that rejection. So now we are rejecting these highs once again. That impulse for me didn't pay off. Beautiful. Imran, you jinxed it. Wow, I think everyone was in this trade as well. Holy shit, that was a big rejection over here. Made the lower wick though, started flipping up, exceeding the high of the hourly. Very, very nice, but here really rejecting now. So still in this trade for the last of it, but it looks like we're going to be coming down over here. But look, managing the trade as we did when we closed 50% round, we started flipping the 15. Beautiful, and there we go. Nearly out. Really rejecting them highs over here. Damn, son. Let's take a look at gold over here then. Ho. Right, let's take a look. Still in this trade for some reason. Gold flying. There we go. I'm out now. Beautiful. So I closed 50% at -7, and then I actually closed another 50% of that here at the 4-hour flip at -10. So I actually lost about 11 pips over here. So let's take a look. Wait, so -7 here. Another 10, so that's 5. That's at 8. So it's like 9.5 actually. GJ. Trade's cold over here. Beautiful. So manage risk as we do. That's mad though. That's mad how we rejected so hard over here. Went straight into profits. 0 drawdown at the start. Yes, we did come up to this wick over here. Maybe stops to break even there would have been nice. But I thought with the volume we could have been pretty good over here. And it's rejected pretty hard. You know, on another day that would have ran beautifully to 30 pips, but what can you do? We manage the trade as it is. GJ buys. GJ buy -9 pips over here. So managed beautifully over here. Our potential was like 30 pips, so very, very happy. You know, we have to take, if you took them trades and had 50% win rate, and you know we have a 1 to 3 risk to reward, we're very, very good. So how much did I risk over here, guys? Let's take a look. Let me check on my phone. Actually, it's a lot easier. So I risked 450, and I closed. Where is it? 280. So beautiful.
I'm down 0.8.
Yeah, that's good. Good risk management. As the 15-minute and 30-minute didn't close above the resistance, this is why is an impulse entry. Yes, this is an impulse entry. An impulse entry, the reason why I like to take it, we know that impulse entries are a bit harder, but the reason why is because we made the lower wick already, we came up, we flipped, we exceeded the high, it was more confirmation. The hourly had made the lower wick, and we were coming back into the zone. But yeah, as you can see over here, the 5-minute did not like. Right about this time, where did we get in? About 157, 100 over here, 100. Right about this time, maybe stops to break even. It was a bit too tight for me, only like 5. Ooh, flipping back up over here now. GJ is being mad over here. Damn! Let's take a look at the 15 and the 5-minute. The 5-minute's starting to come up now. Look at the hourly. Starting to do it again. Oh my god. Don't you dare, GJ. Don't you dare. I mean, extra entries you could do if you fancied it, but for me,
Yeah, I think we need to wait for a 50-minute close above.
Yeah, in 3 minutes time. And then in 3 minutes time, if you do make the lower wick, it could be quite nice over here. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe to the channel. We're here every single day. Let's go, let's go. Gold is flying. Is it still here? Ooh, look at the gold over here. Look at the 30 minute. Yeah. The hourly. Ooh. Look at the 5 minute. Yeah, that 5 minute closing bullish there is a bit annoying. Ooh, GBP as well, just making the little wick over here. Oh, it's continuing, you little bastard. Wow, so rejecting them lows again. Damn, it literally tapped our stop loss as well. Holy shit. Look at the 5 minute. Oh my god, are you joking? 2 minutes 44 left over here. If this runs off, that's completely fine, but we tried it once. Now the only time we can get in again is if we wait for the closure to give us a bit more confirmation. Then the closure has to make the lower wick, etc, etc. So like comes down over here. If this closes like this, the next one needs to come, make the lower wick, and then boom. So it's a big rejection area, so we need the confirmation. GJ flipped down when Imran dropped the W in the chat. Imran jinxed us, god dang. Make sure to like the stream if you haven't already, guys. We'll try and take some more trades over here in a second if we can. Gold is flipping again. Look at the 5 minutes, 15 minutes. Oof. The hourly's looking good. So if you've got into an hourly flip over here, where's the hourly high? 16 pips. Ho! Pretty decent over here. Exceeding the lows of the 30 minute, like right this time. Oh, that could be nice. So you get in right now. Take a look at 15. Could be quite a nice option for gold. 15 minutes exceeding the low. Already wicked up over here. It's got a minute left though. That's the only issue. CSK will definitely win. Right, a minute's time over here. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Wow, GJ, you little shit. You little shit, man. So 40 seconds left over here. Let's see. Wow, GJ, wow. Who the fuck's CSK? I'm so confused. Oh, you little pussy. 20 seconds left over here. Get the closure. Get the closure we want though, which is good. Oh, come on! Where did I put my stop? Did I put my stop loss right over here? Yeah, it is. I still would have ran into a lot of drawdown over here. Beautiful. So we've got the closure now. Very, very tasty. Look at that strong candle over here. This 15 minutes is going to be flying. The only issue you have to wait for is you have to wait for the low wick again, because look how big the zones are now. The stop losses, sorry. The stop losses are huge. So unless this one here gives me a low wick, a nice low wick, I can't get into this trade really. Like, how could you get in? The stop loss is 20 pips, man. 20 pips for not even a 20 pip gain. So very, very hard to get in. Unfortunately, we got wicked out on the first time, which is a pile of shit. From one 5 minute candle over here. Wow. What is the plan now as a 15 minute as closed bullish? The plan is I'm going to have to wait for this lower wick to form, and if it doesn't form and just rinses off, I can't get in because a stop loss, I need a nice stop loss over here. Hopefully around about this zone, 8 pips, 9 pips.
Yeah, well, I was thinking the same.
Then I'll move
8, 9 pips.
the buy stop over here. Yeah, 8, 9 pips could be pretty good over here, hopefully. You know, look at the wicks before, we're getting some quite nice bottom wicks, so not rushing in. Now GJ's flying. Yeah, it's just that's just complete luck. The amount of times I've done that and it's fine is great. So the candle closed without wick. It did close. Oh, here we go over here, and it's gonna continue. I mean, you could get a buy with a stop loss below over here. A nice 4 pip, 5 pip stop. And there you go. Wow. Well, that's just a shame that we got wicked out over here. I don't know how we could have done anything different because we did literally went on the flip over here. It was delicious. The only issue was our stop loss was quite big, so we had to minimize our stop. And there we go. Beautiful. So we should continue to these highs now over here. Take a look to the left though. It is coming towards the TP2 that we set, which is round about here, which you need to be careful for because there is resistance. But you know, we have the volume. It should come up to these highs over here. Okay, gold. Okay. So 30 minutes, got 12 minutes left. Has exceeded the low. The hourly's flipping bearish over here. Looking pretty good. Was a perfect fib retracement right on the 38 level on GJ. Yeah, man. Yeah, beautiful. Just continue here at 350. Nice. So yeah, everything we did, everything we planned came to fruition over here. The only issue is this little shitty 5-minute candle. The fuck is that, man? But I couldn't hold, you know, you have to manage the risky. You can't, because the amount of times that you go, oh, well, no, this time, you know, I can't take off 50%. But, you know, you still would have been holding 15 pip drawdown over here. So you can't take those trades. You have to be able to manage your risk. And that's what we did. We managed our risk, took 50% of this at this line. And then obviously we came back up now and it finally did the move. Which is great. Looks like gold is continuing over here now. Nice. Wish I looked at gold now, holy shit. Yeah, so round about this time over here, if you're taking sells, I'd actually be having my stops to break even round about this time. Should be continuing. The 5 minutes should be starting to drop down now. Looking pretty good. So how much profit would you be at over here? Yeah,
I left mine on, you know.
You left yours on? You little shit.
I left it on, and I took profit of I think about 3-4 pips, and then it started going downwards, and then I think I thought it was going to flip back up again, so I slapped it back on again, and I was down, and then it just went straight up again. So I think I'm up about 10 pips.
Wow,
total.
lucky. Nice.
But the thing is, I'm working on my phone, so this ain't really ideal.
Yeah, that's true. That is true. That. Yeah, man. I mean, the 50-minute. This is exactly what I wanted. You know, the lower wick. So the lower wick before this. Let's take a look over here. Yeah, so it was literally on the lower wick. It did actually exceed the low over here, but wow, that's mad.
What do you think that's gonna go?
Oh well, the sky. To be honest, if we do get a closure above on the hourly, holy shit, it's got a nice place to run over here for sure. Damn, but that was a nice entry because for runners as well, like if you have this trade on here, your runners could do bits over here, but fortunately couldn't get in. Oh, GBP AUD is starting to come over here. 30 minutes left. 23 pips, nice. I took an entry when it flipped again, but closed it on 0.3, so it broke even overall. Nice. Yeah, I think a lot of people did that as well. So it came down. This just 5-minute came out of absolute nowhere over here. The first 8 o'clock though was nice. I liked it. It looked beautiful, and obviously it was beautiful because it was great. Wait. Let's just sit on our hands until NY. Yeah, I'm gonna be. Let's take a look at gold over here. 9 minutes left. 9 minutes left over here. So you're 4 hours bearish. The hourly's bearish. 30-minute and 50-minute over here. It's looking pretty good. Looking pretty nice. This 5-minute coming down again. Damn. What on this one? Yeah, it's I don't know. People would have taken their profits though. I did say at this zone over here. If you look on the 30-minute, this is where zone you should be taking off some for sure. And having a little runner, I think a runner could be quite nice over here, especially if you get some volume and close above. do you go through your usual London routine, such as starting with a fresh start chart, draw out your daily and forward flip lines and check news, etc. for the NY session as well? Yeah, that's all I do. Sure thing. Oh, GBP/AUD is starting to come up over here. Look at the hourly now. This is looking good. So people who like GA over here, I mean the 50-minute looks a bit shit, but a 20 pip stop, potentially targeting. Let's take a look over here. Where can I do this? Targeting the supports of previouses, which is around about this zone over here. Could be nice, but for me, I'd probably wait the 8 minutes for the 30-minute closure. But it has already made the lower wick over here, so you could miss the move. That's the only issue. The only issue is what someone said before over here on the left hand side. We have a little resistance at this zone, which is a bit of a pain in the ass. Okay, and that only puts you into a little bit of profit. Still holding on GJ. TP is at 1573. Might be too much. It looks like it. Yeah. That's why you should always, you know, secure some profits over here. You need to always. GJ's out of control. Yeah, I mean, well, look at this. Look at the 5 minutes, man. Like that's not nice. So, yeah, I'm gonna be very, very cautious on that. I'm just gonna quickly go to the toilet, guys. Make sure to like the stream if you guys haven't already. We're gonna be doing some more analysis over here. Be 1 second there, guys. Wow, look at this 50 minute over here. Yeah, I'm not gonna look at GJ anymore. So as I said, I'm gonna wait for this 30-minute closure. Looks like gold is starting to come up over here, back again. But entries for gold over here were quite nice. Here, would you actually got 10 pips over here? Yeah, we got 20 pips. Nice. So what time is this at? 7:30, 7:45, 8 o'clock. Wait for the top wick and the drive. Nice. I still think we are very, very bearish for gold today. Caught 12 pips and cut it, GJ. Nice. So how did you catch the 12 pips? Did you wait? Did you just hold the move, or did you take it on the reflip over here? He's taking long in there. Got in it and GJ closes 80% at 9 pips at resistance. Let the rest do the rest. Lovely, amazing. But for me, it was. I mean, you could see exactly why I wanted to take some positions off of here. This is going to be the recap for the day. It's because price came up over here. We've already made the low. Why would I want to hold on this trade if you come back down over here? You know, and other days, you guys need to be careful. For people holding these trades on, you need to be careful, especially towards these ending months, because what could potentially happen, I've seen some examples of this, is, you know, price closes back over here and then makes a little top wick and then starts driving down, completely rejecting them highs. So you need to be careful for sure.
That's true, guys. Be careful, because I was shitting myself.
You were holding them on with your fucking balls, like, holy shit.
I was, mate. I was.
Nice. I think people with runners on now, I mean, it can be just choppy over here, to be honest. Look at the 5 minutes, man. Not the nicest. not the nicest. So 3 minutes time is 30 minutes going to close over here. Nice. I think this is going to be pretty tasty. You got diamond hands. Oh yeah. So this celery play on gold was quite good. The only issue for me was quite a big stop. Nice. So for the long term, when we look at the 4 hour over here, we're rejecting these highs at 1771. We should come back down to these supports at 1757. So it does have a nice range to fill for sure. I'm going to wait for this 30 minutes to close over here. And then we can start to look. Ooh, I need to drink my cup of tea before it gets cold. If you guys are new here, make sure to like and subscribe as well. Let's take a look at how many subscribers we're on now. Let's take a look over here. 1,176. Jeez. This ain't working. I'm gonna go to GP Chuff. Yep. GP Chuff I haven't actually seen. I haven't backtested or anything. I don't know how it moves. The only issue that GA is pulling me off of here is this little minor resistance here. And if this was at Asian, I wouldn't really care, but it isn't. It was at NY, so it's quite a big zone over here. But I want this counter close quite strong, and then that should be pretty good over here. Wow, I'm very jealous of that trade over here. I would have made quite a lot of re-entering over here. Let's take a look at the 15. Yeah, so the way you could have entered is on this flip again for sure, exceeding the high again. But then for me, I'd have to have the stop loss again at 13 pips, and it has ran quite nicely over here. Has ran about 19 pips, so pretty good. My entry was on the impulse around the high wicks. Nice, pretty good. I did one GP Chuff in 3 years of trading. I was down bad with 0 trade the whole week, so I just went for it. Nice. Pretty good. So no trades over today. No trading analysis, guys. Give me some charts over here. I want to check some charts out. I want to see your zones over here. But as I said, guys, people in the mentorship, make sure to come in for the drop-in if you guys have any questions. But that trade was textbook trade. I love that. It was a impulsive, nice one at 8 o'clock. Mad. So 50 minutes closing in 56 seconds time, bearish, kind of making this as resistance zone over here. Tapped it. That's what I said. I said this is why the TP2 was around about this area, because this is resistance. It held for quite a long time. If you look over here, it's also resistance here. So this is a key zone. You can see we rejected off it. But yeah, GJ now, that was the move. If you missed the move now, I'd advise leaving GJ for sure. For me, I'm going to be looking at gold over here. But it looks like the 30 minute is starting to make some support over here. Also, guys, make sure to tag me on Instagram as well. I always replay all that kind of stuff. Need to, I always repost on them. It's pretty good. I like having some people on Instagram for sure. But yeah, mad. It's really mad how price did that over here. But what can you do? I mean, a lot of people would have got slapped on this, but the managing of the risk was the key part of it. You have to manage the risk, man. GU, let's take a look at GU over here. I think GU ran nicely on Friday, actually. I think GBP/USD ran nice. Let's take a look over here. Let's take a look at the daily. So daily time frame is bearish right now. Beautiful. That is nice. And the 4 hour is also bullish. So contradicting higher time frame positions over here, which is not the best. Price has started to make some support over here. Okay, wicked. Price has started to make some support. It's starting to come up over here, just like GJ did. But the daily isn't bullish yet, so for me, it'd be looking nice to get some buys when we just come bullish, and that could be right about this area. Let's see how big these zones are. So if you do get some trades around this resistance, yeah, about 10 pips, not the best. So for me, it's probably going to be the best if we do exceed these highs over here. Dr. Dollar, my boy. Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. Bro, we took some GJ buys over here and got slapped in the ass by a 5-minute candle. I'll show you what I did, Dr. Dollar. So, at 8 o'clock over here, nice. We got a nice, you know, solid candle closure, and then a low wick formed over here, which was nice. Then we started pushing up, exceeding the highs. I took a buy over here. Right at this point, with stop loss below, aiming for the next zones over here, and the 5-minute was a motherfucker. I closed half over here, and then yeah, beautiful, nice 5-minute wicking out, and then continuing. That shit mad over here. Yeah, go show some support on Dr. Dollars as well, man. Yes, sir. So yeah, GBP USD, it is going to be nice when we get the daily flip, because that'll be, you know, higher time frames starting to be in the same direction and starting to actually fill in wicks on the daily over here. That could be pretty good. Look at the daily closed above this resistance, so I do expect price to continue. There's a bit of traffic over here, but I think with a bit of volume we could actually come up to these highs over here, right around this level. That could be delicious. So 5-minute has closed. Why you ain't a road man? Because I'm not from London. I'm not a gimp either. Yeah, look at that. Oof. So, you know, GJ now, if price does start to close back in the zone over here, like here, oh my god, then price really has rejected this zone again for the second time. Whereas GJ rejected off the 1-minute initiated order blocks. I don't think that was a strong resistance. For me, it looks like quite a strong resistance over here. But that's just for me anyway. So people's runners will be getting stopped out right about now. Oh, Dr. Dollar. Sheesh. My boy. My boy. Dr. Dollar's moderator. He's a G. We got another subscriber over here in this biz. Let's take a look over here. Dr. Dollar donated 5 through super chat. Sheesh. Let's take a look at gold. Is gold melting? Oh no. Oh, gold came all the way back up. Sheesh. Look at that. Pull up over here. Holy shit. So, you know, price. I think I like the gold sells over here with resistance. But look, it has tapped the zone again. You know, you shouldn't be holding this on. I got 5 on it. Yeah, boy. Amazing, amazing. Yes, no problem. I like the way it is in confidence with the resistance. Kudos to you, man. I love your trades all day long. Losses are just a part of the game. I mean, that loser was great. I'd take that all day, every day. And you can see now the price action. Even though, you know, you could have taken them second trades over here, you can see that price really didn't want to go up. You know, price had a nice bit of volume push over here, but yeah, for me, I didn't really want to take a second trade considering we just got this 5-minute bearish, man. Like, that was bad. You know, we got to about 5-6 pips profit, hitting this resistance, came back down, and then yeah, came back up. But you know, it's the managing of the risk, because this can happen quite a lot, and people who don't manage risk are going to get slapped over here. Ooh, GBP AUD over here. You know, 15-minute closed. Sorry, the 30-minute closed doji over here, showing indecision. The hourly starting to flip bearish again. Yeah, rejection to the highs again. Thing is, GBP AUD is quite nice to take some buys and sells, because they, you know, the closures are the things you're waiting for. They don't really take many trades like impulses. I like closures for GBP AUD. So let's just see how gold plays over here. If it just closes back in this zone above here, we should be filling up this zone over here. Nice. Wow. So look at gold. Look at GJ now. Rejecting them highs. Flipping the daily again. Flipping the 4-hour very, very soon. Rejecting them highs over here. Damn! Look at that rejection. Holy shit. That is mad. I got 5 on it. like your partner, you know. Yeah, and the zones here, so like, no, the way to get into these trades over here, very, very hard, because look, if you look for sells over here now, 15 pip stop, oh my god, you have to wait for the top wick and the bottom wick, man. You have to do it. I called some buys at 001. Yeah, man, your session starts early, bro. You trade Asian. Asian's been good recently, holy shit. So you 001 over here. Yeah, and the 4 hour over here. Nice. Where was your stop? Here? Here? Where was your stop? Could you like 10 pip stops, my boy? Wow, look at this rejection, man. Holy smokes. Holy fucking smokes, I got my money up. 46 likes in the stream, amazing, guys. Let's get them likes up if you guys have had an amazing week already. We've just started getting ready for this week over here. Oh, your stop was just 10 pips. Yeah, nice. So you got in on the 4 hour flip, basically. That's what that is. Nice. Yeah, I like the 8 o'clock making the low wick over here and then continuing. But yeah, this 5 minute, you can't do anything about that. Beautiful. GBP/USD, I still think is going to be pretty tasty over here. And yeah, making some nice support. For me though, I want the daily to be on our higher time frame as well, and our bias, because when we have 2 time frames on our bias over here, it's going to be molto bene. Check USD/JPY. We'll take a look. Can you send me a chart over here, because it isn't the US session and I can't be asked to look at it because it's probably choked. Let's take a look at news later on as well, guys. So for NY, reasons why was because I was thinking that move up to the downside was a fake out. What here? Well, what I liked over here was that the 4 hours over here. So this one came all the way down, tapped the zone, rejected, came back up, closed. Pretty doji over here, rejecting these lows. This one also came down, started rejecting. So I knew it was to buy. It was beautiful, you know, making support over here. The higher time frames were showing me that I was rejecting these lows again. And this hourly closing bullish over here. Oh, too tasty, man. But now looking at the 5 minutes over here, the price action is not the best. Yeah, really rejecting these lows, these highs over here. Look at this doji candle over here, shit. Dr. Dollar will go live in Instagram this week, I think. We should do that, my man. Yeah, for gold over here, I'm gonna be waiting patiently for NY session, I think. Unless this 30-minute candle over here miraculously turns a bearish over here, but I doubt it. Really holding support. For me, I'm gonna be looking for sells below 1762. I think that could be nice for sure. So yeah, later on we got we don't really have that much actually. We got some CAD news at 1:30, but that's not too bad. Let's take a look at tomorrow. Tomorrow we have some people speaking in the US, not in the US, in the UK. Not too bad. 1 and 5 minute bearish. I'm in. Oh, is this in gold? Sound, bro. I'll give you a shout. Probably on Tuesday or Wednesday. We'll do a nice little Instagram live. So 1 minute and 5 minute you're in. Oh, here. Ooh, that'd be risky for me. That'd be risky. I sent the chart to USD/JPY. Amazing, my man. Let's take a look over here. Let's take a look. Here. Where did you send it? Where did you send it, bro? Did you send it in the Discord over here, or in the chat? In the chat, I can't see the chat. You have to send it just X. You have to send it like with the little bit at the end. You can't send me the whole address. I need a good top wick for gold over here. Yeah, I wouldn't take gold sales for me personally. YouTube, yeah, I can't see it on YouTube. It doesn't come up because YouTube doesn't allow you to do your own links over here. Holy shit! Let's look at GG over here. Oh, look at the 15-minute closing back in the zone over here. Oh my god. I'm not gonna lie, if this makes a top wick, taps this zone, and then rejects, I may take a trade if you get a nice 10 pip. Because we're rejecting the zone again, we are doing our setup over here. Let's take a look. Let's take a look at our setups. Where is it over here? This one over here. So this is what we're looking at over here. It's closed above, rejected, closing back in the zone over here. This is the confirmation. The daily is above us, like here, and the 4 hour is right where we want to enter. This is exact same setup. So beautiful. So 3 minutes time over here. What I'm waiting for now is this move. So, you know, literally exactly the same as this entry over here. Waiting for this top wick. Oh, wait 1 second. Why does my mouse do that sometimes? Waiting for this top wick, which should be around about here. And then if we flip, I'll get in the entry. Because this is going to be...
Hey, Max.
Hello, hello.
Sorry, man, to cut you off. Your daily flip... My daily flip is... I'm still, like, well and truly bullish, my daily flip.
Ooh, let's take a look over here.
I should send you a photo.
Yeah, are you on FXCM? That's probably why.
I have no idea.
Oh, no. Oh, yeah. Oh, no.
Yeah.
Wait, is it like that? Wait, let's take a look. Ah, yeah, FXCM and
Yeah.
Mine's at 157090. Yeah, so it's
I was
FXCM.
looking at it before.
I know I need to do some research on what's the difference, because I know they're just 2 liquidity providers, but you know that's quite a big difference over here. Let's take a look at your chart though. I think it's the candle opens. I think maybe yours does a little bit like an hour before, hour after hours. I have to see which one we should do, and I want to stick to one because at the moment I don't know which one to use. They're all similar to me, but they're not exact, which can confuse people. So yeah, I might have to look at some research on which one's better for. I think someone told me which one's better for currencies and which one's better for commodities. But I forgot over here.
Yeah, this whole time I was looking at yours, I was like, am I pissed or?
Yeah, that's mad. I mean, like the other, like this is the same, but like yeah, the daily over here is no, look at your slip though. Yours is quite a big slippage over here. Yeah. Am I pissed? Awanda is better because we don't see the gaps on Awanda. Yeah, I think that's why. There's no gaps. So look at the daily over here. Look, can you see like when it opened, it should open parallel to this, and it hasn't. Let's take a look at this one. And this one has, yeah. I think that's why. I think scrap FXCM no good at all. Change to at least Awanda or look at your broker. Yeah. But most of the time FXCM have the same price with my broker. Ah. Yeah, because brokers normally use the liquidity of either Awanda or FXCM. I know that. Thanks, I appreciate the support. Yeah, boy. But the dollar's got a little wrench next to him now. He's the man. He's the boy. Are you still streaming now? Are you streaming right now? Come say hi in a sec. I got 11 pips on gold. Damn. Did you get in? Oh, nice. So rejecting them highs again. Your 5 minute worked nicely over here with the 1 minute. It's got 15 minutes left of the hourly. Can we continue? So GJ has done the closure over here. Nice. Let's take a look at the 30 minute. Okay. So flipping the daily and the 4 hour. Okay. The only way I can get in over here is I'm waiting for this top wick. To tap this zone, I want it to reject this zone because this is where the rejection is, and then to come down. For me, getting in right now is not an option because we have no top wick, and also the stop loss would be like 18 pips. So fuck that shit. Hell no, boy. Hell no, boy. Yeah. Gonna have to wait patiently. But gold over here, it's still messing around. For me, that doesn't look like the cleanest trades over here. And yeah, amazing. So yeah, we've still got 30 minutes left of this candle. Very, very happy to just chill over here. The only issue I do have is we do have support of this zone. Let's take a look over here. 1 second. Where is this? I want to move you guys. Can I move it? Oh, here. How can I do this over here? Oh well, I'll put it here. Let's take a look at some here. I have a problem with the 1 hour on GJ. Let's take a look over here. Yeah, I like the 1 hour. I like the 1 hour. The 1 hour is rejecting the highs over here, closing below. Let's take a look at Sam. He wants me to check something in the chat. Beautiful. This is Michael's. Let's take a look. Okay, this is Sammy Boys over here. So he has got some supports over here. Yeah, that's what I was looking at. That's why I was kind of like, maybe these sellers are not the best. We have a little bit of support over here. We're rejecting these highs though. I mean, for me, that zone is quite nice to fill. That's a nice 25 pip zone. Can you show me the folder with all your steps for a second when you have time? Yeah, wait, they're all in the chat, Michael. They're all in the chat in this one. If you go over here, you go to photos. They're all here. And you can just save them. If you're on your phone, you can just click them and save them. Yeah, beautiful. I think they're marked out really nicely. You got resistance to the highs, you got resistance that we just made now. You got a little bit of support over here, and then you got your zones. You got support of these lows over here. Nice. Yeah, I know. I want to copy the name for everyone. Copy the name for everyone. What do you mean? Yeah, they're all in here. There's all the setups. Oh, the names. So this is okay. The names. Ah, okay. Wait. Let me do this. Over here. Oh, looks like GJ is coming down over here. Has made the top wick. Let's take a look over here 1 second. Oh, has made the top wick now. Nice. Exceeding the low, should continue down now and fill up with this range over here. Nice. Especially with this 30-minute close in 11 minutes time. Oh, really rejecting them highs over here. Damn, I think we'll drop if we can break the micro trend to the upside. Yeah, the only issue I have is the left hand side here. I think sells are going to be nice a bit below. And then in case here we got a little support right here, so it's probably better, to be honest, lower here. You know, the price action for me is not the best on GG. I'm not really liking the 5 minutes are looking a bit choppy, but I still think we can continue down for sure. Especially because this hourly, I like the hourly. The hourly's rejected these highs. I mean, it's touched this zone and was like, hell no. 10 minutes left to close, back in the zone. That'll give it the confirmation. Good character building day. Yeah, I know, man. Tried GJ buys, they played out nicely after, but sometimes you can't take them. GBP AUD just couldn't close above over here, just really struggling. Okay, wait, I'll take your screenshot of this. 1 second. Oh, of them over here, and you have to like look. 1 second. Let me just snip this bitch over here. 1 second. Pass Savage is called buys. Who's Pass Savage? So many savages, boy. So many savages. Which one's the savage? Just like names. Some of them are just setups that I use for like things. I just named them, but I put them in the chat. Just called GJ buys. I wouldn't be in GJ buys right now. I wouldn't be in GJ buys considering the hourly is going to be closing in 9 minutes time. Bearish. Oh, you know, I'll just wait patiently for the hourly to close over here. He's part of Savage gang. Of Daniel. Um, 49 likes in the chat, amazing guys. A good start for the Monday as well, man. Pretty decent. Bit choppy price action though on GG over here. It's moving about. Yeah, it does have the rejection, but also an rejection on the previous hourly. Yeah, that's a good point. So, yeah, so from the upside we got rejections over here. On the downside, we've got rejections here. So for me, it's not a good time to take any trade. It's rejecting both sides. It's a bit passe is how you pronounce it. Gee, that's a cool name. I bought GJ again. Did you? Ooh, reacting on the 4 hour as well. 4 hour turning bullish again. Hourly turning bullish. For me though, it doesn't make sense to take buy. They can work nicely, but why would? It's rejected once. It's rejected twice. Why the third time is it finally going to go just after London volume push? Like, I just don't get it. It's showing indecision. Yeah. GP USD though, on the other hand, it's starting to come up over here. Got 7 minutes left of the candle. The only issue is it's only got 7 minutes left of this 30-minute. It hasn't ran a lot. Showing kind of less volume over here. And gold is looking a bit chalked now. We are back in the range. Yeah, we're back in the range. Cool. We're back in the range because we've got this closure over here. If this candle over here, this 50-minute closed like this would be on the support. So then drive it back up on this candle over here. But didn't. It close back in the range. So for me, it's a no. So GJ over here, yeah, I think I'm going to be waiting for NY. I think it's going to be looking a lot better. I want to see this hourly closure. Hourly is not looking for buys. Well, I just don't know why you'd want to take buys again when this hourly is at 53 minutes left to close and to be strong in this zone, and it can't. So my 5-minute trades are bay. Your 5-minute trades work well, yeah. So for gold over here, I mean, it's tapping this well, it is resistance now, but it was support. So for me, you know, I still think gold sells are going to be pretty good over here. It's just trying to get in. I want a nice solid closure below this zone. Let's see what this hourly closes in 6 minutes time over here. They're probably looking at the fib long. Yeah, there will be. Oh yes, they'll be looking at the fibs. But for me, like, look at this traffic now. It's not looking clean. It's not looking nice. You know, and when you identify you know, these ranges where the traffic and the the cleanliness of the candles are a bit choppy, you just leave it. Just leave it, man. I still think the 4 hour is going to push down to 1758 for sure. Fib looks nice, but too choppy. I agree. Yeah, it's too choppy, boy. Too choppy. So is gold over here. I want a nice solid candle. Hopefully in 5 minutes time you can get that. And look at the 5 minutes to try and get in. The good thing is the 5 minutes are rejecting these highs once again. But it is quite a big support over here on the 15-minute. 5 minute equals trap. 5 minute. I use my 5 minute candles on gold, I think, but on GJ I don't look at 5 minute. I only look at 5 minute on GJ to manage my risk, which is what I did today. So 50 minute has exceeded the low of the previous. Nice. 30 minute is starting to reject them highs again. Looking good over here. Oh, we got another subscriber. Thank you very much, Kasuda, for subscribing to the channel. Really trying to pick its direction. Yeah. So if you look on the weekly on GJ as well, I mean, you know, it is just making the lower wick to continue. I think maybe maybe Monday and Tuesday will make the lower wicks, then continue over here, because we've closed above all of this resistance. We're looking pretty good to continue. We're looking pretty good to continue. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. Yeah, looking good, but this hourly closing here, you know, it's not giving me any buys. I just closed my gold trade full. Nice. Nice. We got another subscriber here. Thank you, What's Up Mongolia, for subscribing to the channel. Beautiful. As I said, guys, you know, on Instagram, make sure to comment on all my posts, because every month I'll be giving away magic keys. So to enter, you have to be in, you know, comment on any post, and I'm going to pick one random comment and one random post over here. So to be in it to win it, you have to just comment on all of the posts over here. Yeah, so not much news today. Let's take a look at the next days. Yes, last week's news. Oh my god, there was so much news over here. I think GJ closes about 157.081. We could be looking for buys. I think so. I think it could be a good option, but the only issue is, again, it's rejected it twice already. I think it'd be a bit of a pain in the ass to take another trade knowing that the price action is not the best. We pick trades where we know the price action is nice and clean. Even though, yeah, if this was nice price action over here, and I was happy with the movement, the volume, etc., etc., and we got a closure back in the zone, then this would be nice. But for me, because we've already rejected it like twice, it's been very, very choppy. For me, I may just leave it until NY. Good evening, Onyx. Good evening? Where the fuck do you live? Holy shit. 3 minutes left over here. This is going to be quite a big decisive candle over here if it closes back in the zone. The 15 minute. Let's take a look over here. And gold in 2 minutes time is closing. Yeah, it's quite weak though. If this hourly closes, it's closing like a doji, so an indecision as well. Quite choppy over here. Malaysia time. Malaysia. Look at this 5 minute reacting on this 4 hour again. Oh my god. So yeah, look at reacting on the 4 hour flip. I see that happen quite a lot in GG actually. The 4 hour flips, it really does respect. But yeah, 51 likes, amazing. If you guys haven't dropped a like yet, make sure to like the stream and subscribe, all that good stuff. I think GG is in a big range. Take care, man. Yeah, I'm not gonna be touching GG anymore today. Minute 55 left for the GU to close over here. Not too bad. So there is a minor resistance at this time, right at this point. The last one did close above, has made the lower wick. This 30 minute though closing quite weak over here. But the hourly's closing nice. That is the thing. So the hourly is closing pretty solid over here. I do like. Let's take a look and see where gold will close over here. I want this gold to give me some money. So it's good though. The thing is though, there is a lot of volume, as in price is moving a lot. But yeah, it's just that little wick out over here. But that'll be done on the recap today. The recap. So 50 minutes left. Oh, sorry, 56 seconds left for this candle to close. It's really rejected these highs though. I do like that. Thing is, the hourly hasn't closed strong for me. If this hourly over here closed, pretty strong, like here, it's gonna be nice for the hourlies. But maybe we're gonna have to look on the lower time frame and see if we can get a nice closure. Right around this area, 1762, I think could be a nice impulse for sure to continue down. I'm really annoyed that we're going to be back in this zone though again for gold, which is fucking annoying. Like this range, so it goes 1751 over here. And then we have a little minor resistance here as well. Not too bad. Let's take a look. Right, so we get a closure. Nice. 50 minute did close bearish. Not too bad. But it is the hourly, so you have to wait for this hourly top wick over here. I mean, if we do reject this candle again and start flipping, I think that could be quite a nice option. But look at these 30 minutes though. Oh, both closure doji. So hourly closed back in this range over here. It should start to fill this range up now. Look at this 15 minute closing. Oof, this could be tempting, But we've already taken it though. It's like, oh, do you want to take it again? Do you want to take it again? Oh my god, it's pumping down. Let's take a look over here. I mean, flipping and exceeding the high over here could be nice. We have actually had the closure back in the zone. So this could be a good option, to be honest. 15 pips. Let's see how big the stop is. If I get a nice stop, we could enter. It's about 8 pips right now, so if it goes any higher, then fuck that shit. Any lower, sorry, then fuck that shit, really. I want to stake to 10 pips now. Oh, is this going to fake out again, boy? Oh, people in buys. RIP. Holy shit. Is it going to hold? Let's take a look over here. Oh. Do 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 do. So it came down. He hasn't exceeded the low of the previous 15. Not too bad. I mean, with this flip, you could potentially take some buys over here. That'll still be the last 30-minute did close bearish over here. But the hourly is what I'm looking at. The hourly is what I'm looking at, boy. So if you get in on the flip instead of exceeding the high, 124, yeah, about 10 pips, not too shabby. Do 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 do. He hit TP. What time? Where did he get in? I thought you only got in like here. Oh yeah, hit 10 pips. Fucking hell. But yeah, people trade different ways, isn't it? Thing is that this 50-minute has closed in. The 30-minute closed bearish, but the hourly closed in the zone. So you know, filling up this zone is quite a good potential. It's just, do I want to take another trade over here? So what I do is I get in probably on the exceeding the highs, with stop loss below the current. It's a buy max and we called it deep retrace. The break of the 30-minute would be outside the Asian range, though. Range is very limited. I think there's still a lot of range. I mean, I think the range is pretty good over here. 15 pips to the high, and then 23 to the actual all-time highs. Depends how far this pulls down, though, to be honest. Let's take a look at the 5-minute. Yeah, so look at this 5-minute resistance it's got over here. Damn, son. Look at the 15 over here. Oh, it is tempting, because we'll be rejecting these lows again. This is the zone that I'm seeing. This nice little zone we're tapping into consistently. Here. I do quite like that. The only issue is the price action on the 5-minute is oof. Oh. God, people trying to take these buys and sells today have been either lucky or just a bit on the risky side. Someone has to hold their balls today. If we get a flip on GU, it looks nice. Let's take a look at GU. Yeah, that is a good idea. Which will be flipping the daily over here. Yeah, got a nice hourly closure. Clean candles to the left. How big is the zone over here? Oof. That is a very, very nice trade. Yeah, GU has similar, but the issue with GU is the zones are so small, man. Like, as in like pip wise, they're fucking tiny. Like all the way to this high looks like 40 pips, 30 pips. It's like 18. I'm pretty sure it's half lot as well. Last hour, the 4 hour, we might just range till 10 AM. Maybe. GJ strength is not stable this morning. Yeah, man, it's been mad. So look over here, coming down. Look at this 5-minute closing back in this range. I am gonna be leaving the fuck alone, GJ. Holy shit. Very much so.
I'm out of here, guys. Listen, thanks very much for today.
See you later, my boy. Thank you very much, man.
I don't think I'll be doing New York because I'll be on a train. So
yeah,
I'll catch you up, man.
That's fair, man. I'll see you tomorrow, yeah?
Nice one, dude. Thanks.
See you later, my man. Peace out.
Bye.
Also, people, today in the mentorship group, we are going to be doing GA simulation today at 3 or 4 o'clock. I'm going to be doing it live, so make sure to come on, and we're going to back test it for the past month, because that's what we've been looking on. Let's just solidify our paper trade and back trading with GA, and then we can start to enter some trades with it. Yeah, this GU, I mean, if it does flip over here, damn. Are you going to stream NY? I do stream NY. I stream it with my mentorship group. Just the private one. So yeah. And it's there. The link is there if you want to join up. Currently, I'm looking at GU. Yeah, I think this could be quite a good option over here. So, you know, what we've already done now, we've tapped this zone over here. Okay, we've tapped the zone we wanted it to reject. This is it was resistance. Now it's acting as support because we tapped it. If we do flip over here, I think this could be a really good option. For sure. So buy stops like around about here. How's your stop gonna be? 7 pips? Do you backtest much? I never backtest. Do you think I should? Yes, you should. I backtest. I use soft for FX. Now I used to use TradingView, but now this one's so much better. And yeah, it just gives you you know, confidence. It gives you kind of stuff like that. GU buy stop. Yeah, I think a buy stop. I'm not gonna trade it because I don't trade GU. Don't know how it moves, but I think people who do trade it could be good over here. By the way, the TV app is really nice. What's that? What is that, boy? Oh, has anyone watched that Squid Game? I need to finish it. I want like episode 4, so I'm halfway through. I quite like it. It's pretty cool. Oh, TradingView app, yeah. Oh yeah, I've heard of that. TradingView app.
No spoilers, mate. I'm only on episode 2.
Oh, you're on episode 2. Jeez. I won't spoil anything then. That's good. I do like it. I rate it. I think there's like 8 episodes.
Yeah, it's really good, isn't it?
Yeah. Bit different. I had to get used to like reading it and stuff because like not reading it, sorry, like listening to like the English. But it's not too bad. Like I think Money Heist was a lot worse for that because it's so. But like the Chinese one, I can't really like see their mouse moving even that much, really, to be honest.
Yeah, well, I didn't want to watch it at first because I thought it was just subtitles.
Yeah.
But then I realised, we do the audio as well.
Yeah.
So, yeah. It's not too bad, is it? You get used to it.
I get used to it quite quickly. Yeah. It is good. It's a bit creepy, but yeah, I do like it.
Yeah, good story.
Yeah. That's mad. So it must have been. I think apparently they did it for so many like countries. They did it for like literally half the world or something. That's why it got so much reach. Oh, there we go over here. Buy stop over here. So I'm going to be paper trading this, but people liking some GU trade over here. I think this is a very good potential over here. It's made the lower wick of the 30-minute now. Let's see how GU moves over here. I haven't actually watched GU trade in fucking donkey's years, so I'll have to take a look over here, see what happens. We'll have to take a look. Yeah, 14 pips looking nice. God, these ranges look like 400 pips. It's literally like 40 pip V. What the fuck? Are you in? No, I'm paper trading. But because I don't trade GU, so there's no point in me taking a trade where I don't look at the pair, I don't know how the volume moves, but I'm just paper trading this over here to see what happens. After Squid Game, give Alice in Borderland a go. Ooh, Alice, is that on Netflix as well? Thing is, I'm normally not good with stuff. Like, Squid Game is making me a bit interested. Like, I swear I've got ADHD. Like, I can't fucking watch shit. Like, it's just, I find it so boring. Like, but this one just seems to be alright for me. Ooh, coming down over here. That's a great setup though. Look at the 30-minute. I mean, beautiful. Let's take a look over here. 1 hour Wickfill and GJ if we flip. What do you think? I mean, yeah. I think that could be potential. I think. That could be, but it depends on the zone of here. Can you see like where we're tapping? As long as you do respect this zone, we should be continuing up for sure. It's on Netflix. Better and more challenging death games. Can't wait for a season 2. Yeah, man, that'd be sick. Try that out. Today I'm gonna be filming a YouTube video. I think I'm gonna be doing a Magic Keys review. I'm just getting used to editing and stuff like that, and then I'll do some cool ones. So I'm gonna be doing some like series where like I try other people's trading strategies. Like for example, just trading on the daily every day, like going through Asian session, taking a trade, and just looking at the daily candles, etc. And then just review and see what was good about it, what was bad about it. Like I think I can make some good videos on that. So yeah. coming down over here. So if it had the flip over here, coming down. If I look at the price action of it on here as well, oh my god, look at that! What the fuck happened there? Holy shit! Wow, look at GJ. I mean, people trying to get into buys again. Oh god, god dang it! Not the best, not the best. Still though, the hourly's got 48 minutes left. Hasn't exceeded the low yet, so there's still, you know, potential over here. 53 likes, amazing guys. If you guys haven't liked the stream already, make sure to like the stream. We're here every single day. We've got some nice subscribers today as well. Make sure you like that stream. 47 minutes left, beautiful. Yes, looks like this would have been pretty bad over here. Still in a lot of drawdowns, so all GBP pairs today have been a bit shit. Look at this candle coming up, bullish, exceeding the high, and nope. I got in a small position buys during Asian at 156.730. Let's take a look over here. 730? Holy shit! How did you get into that? Oh wait, sorry. This is Asian over here. 730. Like here.
Yeah, that bullish candle.
Wow.
The next one formed the bottom wick, and then I saw that the 4 hour didn't have a top wick yet.
Ah,
So,
beautiful.
Well, the Asian volume was probably not going to keep pushing down, so I took a small buy in that.
And do you have stop loss here or here?
Yeah, I had it below.
Yeah, that's nice. 7 pips stop, and I mean, yeah, Asian's been nice. You can trade Asian, can't you? I mean, Asian's been pretty good recently.
Yeah.
And what did you do? Did you close, or what did you? Because these are
I
nice
closed
strong
full
candles.
at, what was it? 9.50. I closed full.
Wow! Holy shit! Beautiful. So that was a 3-to-1 risk to reward. So you had a 7 pip stop for a 21 pip gain. Beautiful. That's really, really class trade.
Asian's been moving nicely, so I tried it out.
Yeah, it has been. I mean, recently, especially, holy shit, like, London's been hard. Like, past couple of weeks been very, very choppy. Asian's been nice, so yeah. The time is not in our favor, 9:12. Exactly. So, you know, we know volume starts to die off over here. I mean, volume's been so choppy, man. Come on, like, what is this? People trying to take them buys. Oh, God, good luck. Good luck. Coming back down to these lows again. Accent sounds like you guys from Northern Ireland or Scotland. I'm from London. Ha! What? No, I'm from Newcastle. I don't really have a Geordie accent that much, unless I'm speaking to someone from Newcastle. But yeah, I'm not from Northern Ireland. My girlfriend's from Northern Ireland, but yeah, I'm not. So it looked like this geo trade, this paper trade, didn't play up over here. Gold came back up. So look at these indecision candles. I wasn't liking any sells over here anymore because of the fact that, you know, these candles show indecision, they show rejection. They're not the best. You have to be patient with the stuff like that. And look, this candle in 50 minutes time, well, this candle in 14 seconds time is closing back in the zone over here again for the second time. So really rejecting these highs now, which is a shame, but you can't really do much about it. And we know around about this time we start to drop off with the volume, so you know, best to wait for NY over here. New Kilo peepers are like Cali peepers, American yet not so American. So look at this again, man. Another closure below, like damn. Really, really, really respecting these highs over here. Pretty mad over here. I mean, people trying to take sells, yeah, you know, it could be a good option, but for me, it's just not the time to take any trades right now, unfortunately. So you have to wait. Look at that closure as well. So, you know, all the GBP pairs over here have been very, very chalked in London session. Let's take a look. Newcastle FC will become bigger than PSG will be Man U over a few seasons. All the best players will flock there. Good. Good. I'm going to get some rental property so Mbappe can pay me 50 grand a week to live there. All the houses around here as well are fucking, like, there's no houses for sale. There's been a boom in the housing, so when they come as well, they want to take these big houses, bro. It's going to be even more demand. Okay, I'll show you some of the houses around here. There's some quite nice ones. I used to do my run and show them. Pretty good over here. Darius Road. Oh, Darius Road, yeah. Can you pop the man down? Yeah, you can. Okay. So let's take a look over here. Co-op. Let's take a look over here. These big houses. Maybe further like here. Where the fuck are we? Oh yeah, okay. So look at this house over here. This guy's a billionaire actually. He used an insurance. Look at this house. Look at this shit. Wait. Look at this shit. Mate, Mbappe gonna be boongang in that house. Holy shit. Mbappe gonna be boongang in that. And then I mean, there's loads down here to be honest. This one's quite nice as well, but it's a bit run down because it's white. It's not nice. Like the white just gets shit. But yeah, all these houses have been here for donkey's years. I really like this one. It's quite nice over here. You live on this? You live on the street? Nah, this street's from down from me. So like I could run there in like 2 minutes. This is known as like the. Look over here. 1 second. Go to some. So this is where Shiva lives over here somewhere. And Runnymede. Oh wait, I'll show you Runnymede Mansion as well. But yeah, this one, football used to live here. But look how run down it is. Look at the white. The white's just minging. It gets really run down over here. This is my friend's house actually. We had so many parties in that house. It was sick. But yeah, I'll show you Runnymede. Runnymede's quite a big one as well. That's where Shearer lived. So if you know Alan Shearer. Hopefully I can show you the Darius Mansion over here. It's actually called it Darius Mansion, which is a bit embarrassing to be honest. Which fucking way is it? Fucking hell. Where the fuck are we? I have no idea where I am. Where's the street? Oh yeah, I know where it is now. Wicked. I think it's down here. Oh, is it down here? No, it's not. I have no idea where it is. 1 second. Let me find this house for you. This house is pretty cool. I like this house. 1 second. I think it's further up. But yeah, like all of these housing prices are gonna be flying because they've got so many new people on over here. Oh, here, this is it. This is it. I think I just saw it. What the fuck? Did I just go past it? Yeah, this is it. How the hell have they got the camera up there? What the fuck? Look how many like building places they have though. It's fucking everywhere. Is Dubai good for a holiday? Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. I could literally sit in Dubai all year as a holiday. So yeah, that'll be Haaland's house. Haaland will come and sit here for sure. You can go. A lot of trees. Yeah, there's a lot of trees around here. Ooh, it's nice. Nice 430, I think that is. Beautiful. Fresh air, yeah, man. It's fresh air around here for sure. So it's like 20 minutes, 25 minutes away from Newcastle City Centre, so perfect for the footballers. So yeah, Haaland will be sitting there. This candle over here is gonna flip, maybe. Let's take a look over here. Now it's time. Out of the chart, I don't see any tradable structure. Okay, Francis, I'll see you for NY session for sure, or drop in if you have any questions. Yeah, I don't see any setups because look, the hourly support over here is right here as well. It's just not nice for me. It's just not clean. Let's take a look at gold though. Coming back up, nothing much. GPUS AUD couldn't close above. You came to Dubai during June, July. Not this year. No, unfortunately not. My parents are going in November. We normally like going in September, October kind of times because it's perfect weather. But yeah, we have been in July before and August, but that was when I was a bit younger. To be fair, like a couple of years ago. Wow, look at that rejection. That's a big fake out. That damn. Big fake out. Big fake out. Let's take a look at the hourly. Yes, the hourly still doesn't exceed the low yet. This 50-minute has 8 minutes left. I mean, taking sells, you could potentially take some sells, but you know the volume drops off. So what's the point, man? Did you say you were going live back testing session on YouTube, or was that part of your mentorship? Part of my mentorship, yeah. I'm back testing GA at 4 o'clock with my mentorship group. Yeah, that's a good time. Yeah, exactly. To be fair, I quite like the heat, so I'm not. And like the thing is though, Dubai, like Dubai, everywhere is aircon, so like it's not bad. It's not bad over here. What the hell? Why is the trades on over here? What the fuck? What the fuck? Beautiful. Yeah, so guys, I'm gonna leave it here over here. No, nothing much, no more setups right now. But you know, later on, hopefully we can get some nice closures. Looks like we are exceeding the lows in the 15, hopefully very, very soon. But yeah, thank you guys for coming on, and I'll see you guys in the next one tomorrow. Make sure to give it a like before you leave, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. If you enjoyed the stream, make sure you subscribe as well. Newcastle ferry to Amsterdam. I'm going to Amsterdam in January. Oh yeah. Can you drink there if you're under 21? I don't think so. Maybe 18? I don't know. But yeah, thank you guys very, very much. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. Peace out. See you later, guys, on Zoom. If you guys have a drop-in session at 9:30, what time is it now? Or 7 minutes time. I can actually just start it here. If you guys want to join the drop-in, make sure you just stay in the Zoom. But yeah, guys, thank you very much on YouTube. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out. Peace out. So yeah, guys.